Hi everyone, this is Mark Nicolas, head trader and founder of the Day Trading Zones, a research and analysis firm for the institutions and the day trader just like you, with real money, real account, and help you overall think wealth differently to be a millionaire or more. Today we trade on how to make money with day trading. So number one, what is day trading? You buy, you sell, same day, you go at the end of the day, you close the cashier, in, out, you have no intraday risk. This is day trading, okay? Second, more position trading. That's anything that qualifies from 2 days to 365 days for me, short-term capital gain in terms of taxes. Number three, buy and hold. You know your wealth pyramid. If you join our community below for a 14 days free trading challenge, where you have 14 days of videos that I share with you of 2 decades of experience in the trading industry, in hedge funds, prop firms, and trading my own money, right? Well, I explained to you that it's super key that you have 3 pyramids of wealth. Day trading, position trading, and buy and hold, create wealth that is asset protected. So, what do you have in that asset protection and that pyramid? You have REITs, bonds, dividend stocks, anything that is income. So let's talk about day trading. Okay? So, me, when I day trade, it's very easy. 3 trades, the rule of 3. 3 trades maximum, I'm done for the day. If my first 2 trades are losers, down, you stop, you shut down your computer, you give it 24 hours to reassess. 2, I use, if it's a directional trade, a 1% rule. So if you have a $30,000 account, do not risk more than 1% of your account, which would be $300. Why? Because it allows you to trade 100 trades. You could have 100 losers in a row before you blow up your account. Most likely, statistically, it's not going to happen, everyone. So 1% is a great rule. Not 2, not 3, not 5, not 10. 1% of your account at risk for directional. 2, when you look at everything, you need to know your personality. I do income trades with most of my money. 80% to 90% of my money is in income trade, where I do options income trade, credit spread, iron condor, iron butterfly. We'll look into this, and other income trades. I want that income. I want that income to catching every week, every month, like a rental check, right? And I get the growth, where I have more risk but more return on equity through the directional, the day trading, the cryptos, day trading SPX options, which I am known for in this industry, tech like Amazon, Apple, right? So, understand your personality. Are you a conservative trader, or are you someone who is a risk taker? I'm a little bit of both, but I segregate both in a different fashion. 90% of my money, guys, are in strategies that I know I'll make my principal plus income, so I don't have risk of principal. Bonds, listed investment trust, you do have some risk, right? Dividends, you have some risk of principal. But stuff like this are a little bit more safer. But now we have to be careful now in this environment where the 10-year treasury goes up, competing against the REITs, competing against the dividend play, where people will shift, where they have safety of principal going into bonds, and the government protecting and assuring their 3% almost now on the 10-year treasury and climbing. So you also have to, when you trade income, those REITs, those bonds, you have to be careful. Now, weekly income, I do credit spread, iron condor, iron butterfly, and I day trade them. Now, when you day trade, I day trade with 10% of all my assets. That's the way you want to think about wealth differently. The guys that I've seen over the years that come, they have a $30,000 account and they put everything, buy, sell, crypto, buy, sell, SPX options. They blow up. Those guys are gone. They are not going to be, statistically, 90% of the traders lose money. So segregate properly, create walls in your cash, okay? That's the wall I create. Income, day trading. And I use the day trading profit here because higher risk, higher reward, and I transfer them back here. Safer, more duration, or less duration if it's income trades, but safer, higher probability of success. Last but not least, when I day trade, I trade SPX futures. They are wonderful. You know, watch other videos that I've done on YouTube. I trade crypto. I trade big expensive stock that have small spread. I like to trade the SPY too. They are diversified. There's less manipulation. I like the expensive one like Amazon, right? And understand in everything that you do, if you really want to be wealthy, not just the cryptos, not just the directional stuff that are extremely dangerous. Like if I trade my cryptos, I don't trade cryptos with more than 2% of my account. That's it, 2%. So if I blow up 2% of all my cash accounts, I don't give 2 cents, right? I'm still able to wake up tomorrow morning and fight another day trading, income trading with most of my cash. So think about wealth, trading, wealth creation over a long period of time, you know, in a different way where you are going to crush it. You don't want to be that guy that run, and in 45 days you blow up everything. You want the guy who is going to sustain intelligently this race. I've done this for 23 years, guys. And this is about sustaining, you know. It's like the turtle and the things. You want to be the turtle, but you'll arrive, you know, with less stress, more consistency and confidence in your trading and your processes. If you want to learn more about some of the processes we do, feel free to do just below this video. We have a 14 days trading challenge that is super helpful. It's absolutely free. 2 decades of the tidbits and ninja tricks that I've learned that will be in your inbox every day for 14 days, everybody. Just get it below this video, look for the link. And if you want to support this community that is started 16 years ago, 23 years I've been trading, real money, real account, well documented on the internet. If you really want to see real account of a guy making $34,000, $41,000, not like great kids, talking to you about day trading, talking to you about wealth, but showing you nothing. And that's the concerning thing. It's like great marketers, they show you nothing. I am in the trenches every week with my guys, otherwise I'm on a consulting gig for institutions, money managers, and CPA with our tools, our full pro tools that we integrate with the professionals and the institutions. Learn how to make money, think wealth differently, and give yourself a chance for the next 14 days to think about everything in a different fashion, absolutely free. You take care, everybody. Stay tuned for the next videos on day trading, position trading, and wealth creation. Take care, everyone.